The setup shown can be used to simulate the scattering of alpha particles passing through a gold foil. The ball bearing represents an alpha particle, while the potential model represents a gold atom in the foil. Roll the ball bearing down the ramp towards the outer region of the potential model. Observe carefully what happens to the ball bearing. Now, direct the ball bearing close to the center of the model. What happens to the ball bearing in this case? Finally, direct the ball bearing towards the center of the model. What do you observe?